Bestrix is proud to present the CM90158 Universal Smartphone Car Holder. The CM90158 is perfect for mounting cell phones or mobile GPS devices up to 6-inch diameter to the dashboard or the windshield for easy navigation and hands-free use. Installation is quick and easy. For a windshield installation, all you have to do is choose the best position for you and attach the silicone part to the windshield, pressing down on the locking lever and lock the mount. For a dashboard installation, clean the dashboard surface and let it dry. In the meantime, connect the cradle to the mount. Take the cover off and place the plastic plate 3M adhesive to the desired location on the dashboard. The hole in the plastic plate should be facing the windshield. You get 2 plastic plates with the product, one for reserve. Place the CM90158 on the plastic plate and lock the mount. Keep in mind to align the silicone suction rubber with the hole in the plastic plate. By using the knobs, adjust the right angle for a safe and convenient ride. Press the back buttons on the cradle to release the wings and the legs. Place your phone and push them back in for maximum grip. To release your phone, simply press the wings button once more and that's it, you're ready to go. The CM90158 is a universal car mount and fits all smartphones up to 6 inches. The CM90158 is highly adjustable for maximum convenience. The plastic plate comes with a new and improved 3M adhesive to improve dashboard grip. The CM90158 comes with a quick removal button for one-hand operation.
Let me show you first how not to do it. Notice that it's gonna fall off. Now, to do it properly, we want to press down, removing all the air from underneath the suction cup. Press the lever down. Now, it's best to wait 15 to 30 minutes before using it. Our 2 bolts on the side are very tight. You may notice that the phone holder can still move around. Now, if you look at the back, there is a nut. By turning the nut counterclockwise, this will tighten the phone holder. We can put the phone in. We want to take the phone down. Remember, it's very easy. We can just use one hand. Reach behind, find the button. Press the button to release the arms, and you can pull your phone away. Where the dashboard isn't so straight, and not a very good place to put the phone mount, we can use the 3M plastic pad. Allow 15 to 30 minutes to dry.